Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'll show you how to fix the ghost touch problem on your REALME C63. So first start off by removing the screen protector or a case. If you have a screen protector applied, then remove it if it's not aligned perfectly. And you should also remove the case. It's very important to do so, because let me tell you why. The case has little standings right here. Let me show you guys. Here it has a little bit of standings, and they can cause the screen to become unresponsive and cause the ghost touch issues. So try and remove the case and see if that fixes the issue. And also with the screen protector, as you guys can see here, if it's not properly applied and it's misaligned, then it might also cause the issues with the ghost touch problem. So after we remove it and confirm that this is not the reason it was glitching, then you guys can clean the screen to get rid of any moisture and debris. So now let's get the microfiber cloth ready and give it a few little swipes. Don't go too hard on the device while doing it. And after that, our device should be shiny. Now, as a last step to fix it, then what you guys can do is go over to settings and go to the about phone section. It's right at the bottom. Let me lower the brightness for you guys. And let me do that and do that. Okay, let me just fix the brightness for you guys and I'll be back. So now basically go to about phone, it's right at the bottom, click REALME UI, and here as you guys can see we are running the latest version of the Android 15. And if you're not running the latest version of the software, then I recommend you guys updating it, because it can fix a lot of glitches, including the ghost touch problem. So that's basically it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.